family, how are you guys? Family, today I have bring another amazing kind of a 10k account for just free. So I will show for you guys. This is very new one. Just they posted this yesterday or today, I don't know, but I got this amazing legit program. Even I have traded in this program before, but now they are giving a free account for cryptocurrency traders. So if you want to trade crypto, you can get this 10k two-step challenge. 10k two-step challenge just for free. Just for free. How you can get, I will show the code. How you can get this account, I will show the code, the promo code that I have got just now. This code I have got just now. Everyone, you follow this step by step. This is amazing kind of a program. It's a legit and a two-step challenge and a cryptocurrency trader. So now we jump in and start here by the way, I will put this link, this legit link in my description, in my telegram channel. So if you want, if you are forex trader, crypto trader, you go my telegram channel. It is a new channel, but I have been posting amazing kind of updates for everyone. So you try to join my telegram channel. I put this my telegram channel link in my description, in this video description. You just click and go, then you can find this link as well. This broker link you can get in my telegram channel. So now let's go and register first, sign up. Then after that I will show every step A to Z. Now you put here your name, please enter name. Your full name you put here, and the email you put here. Another one is here, send verification code, and your country. Try to find your country. Almost all countries are available, I think, here. So you put here your country. Let's see, your countries are available here. Look at, you try to see here, Pakistan, India, yes, and then Nigeria as well, yes, Nigeria, India, yes, Nigeria as well, right? Yes, that is Nigeria, I think, yeah. And India, South Africa, yes, Nigeria is here, Nigeria, yes, India, Pakistan is there, yes, Pakistan above, I see also. Almost all countries are here. India, yes, India, Indonesia, yes, all countries are here. Yes, almost all countries you can get this account. So after I have checked your countries are in the list. So now we go and finish this registration form. Almost all countries you can claim this account from everywhere. I put my email and password. Then here you can get the verification code. This one, yes, this one, you get verification code by your email. So let me send verification code. Okay, this email is already existing, so I have registered yesterday, I actually, by this email. So you put here and get your verification code by your email. So now you submit. For me, I log in here I want to log in. Already I have email. I have this account. So now I want to log in by using that email. Yo bro, using this one you log in. Yes, I'm in. So now I already logged in inside. Now what I can do is look at it. Today countdown is this one 4 days, I think around 4 days. So now what I should do is for this now let me go in this purchase. Third one, look at here, purchase account. So once you come here and you are arrived here, then you can get the account here, and I by using this code. So now let us click here, free one. I need free one. Then have this part. Let me show you for you guys. Here stage reward is phase 1, phase 2, real trading 10,000. So look at here, for legend tournament, short term, this is a competition, this is not this one is a competition, short term competition. If you want, stage reward is this one. Phase 1 600 you do, phase 2 3,000, and the real trading is real account you get is 3,000. But in this account, maximum effect profit per transaction 2%. No, I need legend tournaments. This is legend tournament stage reward. Is phase 1, you need to, in this phase 1 reward 2,000 USD, phase 2 10,000 USD, real trading account 10,000. You get real account. After you finish phase 1 and phase 2, you get this one. Profit requirement 2,000 and 1,000. Do you understand this one? Profit requirement in phase 2, in phase 1 reward 2,000 USD you get. Then profit requirement is 2,000, which means 100% you need to get. Phase 2 you get 10,000 USD. The broker give for you 10,000. Then you only get 1,000 USD. You know, here your real account should be 10,000 USD you get after you do these two things. Then maximum daily effect profit is, in daily you get 2%, in here as well 2%. Maximum dynamic drawdown 6%, is dynamic 6%, maximum daily drawdown here as well 6%. Look at maximum 6%, maximum loss of principal 500. This is 500, 6% means 500, right? From this to 2,000, 6% means 500, right? Yes. Am I correct? Right. From this one as well, 6% means 500, right? It's from real account also 500. So by this way you can trade these terms and the conditions. You should have to understand first of all, because if you don't know, you lose your account. So transaction support, weekend trading with no spread, new trading with weekend trading with no spreads and news trading. You understand that? Weekend trading with no spreads and new trading. Weekend trading with no spreads and news trading. You don't trade news, and the weekend is not allowed with spread. Profit share ratio 5% 5. Here is 5% 5. Leverage 1 ratio 10. So then after that we go to next step. You choose this one. Account is legend one, right? Legend tournament. Then you come here, free account. Then what we do is now here, look at here, legend tournament, yes, find trading platform, find trader, and billing. Here you do your name and your full name, email address, and your country, city, postal code, or then you come here and agree. You see, this one is click here, this free account, this legend tournament, or already as a default from above. Already you fill this one, you choose this one, you select it, then the here is the default of the above one. Once you fill that one, you come here, you agree this one, right? This box, click privacy and terms, you need to be agree. So membership code, verification code is here. So now what we do is here, purchase price. So we need this account for free, right? So purchase, and here do this. Wow, my account, you know what it says? You already have account. I have got this account. Oh yeah, I'm already trading. Receive the number of time you can receive account for free reached the limit. Each person has only one chance to receive it for free. Please go to the payment page to pay. Okay, what says, like, already I got this account. For that reason it says you cannot get another account. You do this, buy, then you are new, right? You haven't got this account before. Just I have got this account yesterday. For that I cannot get two accounts in my email and in my name. So one person only allowed one. For that I cannot buy this. Now you what to do is buy this one. After you click this above two boxes, you click buy and continue the next steps. So the next steps are what? After you buy this one, you get credential in your email. The credentials arrive into your email to login. Then after you get that credentials, download the application to trade, testify application. I will do next video how you can download the application to trade. Everyone, after you claim this account credentials in your email, then comment for me, do next step, how you trade and in which application you trade. So you need to download application. So comment for me, I have got account credential, please do step 2 how you trade. Comment for me. After I have seen your comment, if many people get this account in exact way, then I will do how you trade and how you can download the app. So that's the next step I will do. For now, you go and claim this one. Once you did, text comment for me. Bye bye until now.